We've been talking about Jackson ever since the fire went out. Yeah, I'm going to Jackson. I'm gonna mess around. Yeah, I'm going to Jackson. Look out, Jackson Town. We'll go on down to Jackson. Go ahead and wreck your health. Go play your hand. Yeah, that big talking man. Make a big fool out of yourself. Yeah, I'm going to Jackson. Go and comb your hair. Buddy, I'm going to Jackson. See if I care. Thing. It makes a fiery ring. Bound by a wild desire, I fell into a ring of fire. Well, I fell into that burning ring of fire. I went down, 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 and the flames went higher, and it burned, burned.
One way out, baby. Lord, I just can't go out the door. Hey, but one way out, baby. Lord, I just can't go out the door. 'Cause there's a man down there. It might be your man, I don't know. Lord, you got me trapped, woman, up on the second floor. I get by this time, I won't be trapped no more. Raise your window, baby, I can ease out soft and slow. Lord, your neighbors down there won't be talking that stuff they don't know. I think back to the time when I first saw your face. You were walking across the Delta to your cold and lonely place. You know I took you for a small girl, really not quite 17. Lord, I was wrong, oh so wrong. You're like no woman I ever seen. Dark-eyed Cajun woman, where are you coming from? Your soul, it's in the backwoods, baby. They say you never had a home.
You say you're sorry once again, dear. You want me to take you back once more. You say you need a helping hand, dear, but that's what you told me once before. Walk softly on this heart of mine, love. Don't treat me so unkind. Let it rest in peace, quiet love. Walk softly on this heart of mine. Walk on, son. It's your life. You say you need a change. Don't all the dreams we've seen come true mean anything? You say it's different now. You keep staring at the door. How can you walk away? Don't I matter anymore? And if being free is worth what you leave behind, and if it's too late for love to change your mind, then it's goodbye time. And if we had known our love would come to this, we could have saved our hearts the hurt, wasted years. Well, it's been fun. What else can I say?
Have mercy. Been waiting for